Hi, it's Yvonne. Welcome back to this week's episode of Gazebo Chat. I will be joined by Jeremy, who is our youngest Gazebo Chat guest. He's actually still in high school and works at America First. Find out how you can do that along with a project that took him and his dad 2 years. Jeremy, thank you so much for joining me in the Gazebo.
Yeah, of course.
I'm so happy to have you here. So you have one of the unique positions here at the credit union.
Yeah, you could say that, yeah.
You're still in high school.
Yep.
So what grade are you in?
I am in 12th grade, senior.
You're a senior.
Yep.
Okay, at a local high school?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Syracuse High, yeah.
Awesome. So with your position, you're able to go to school and then still work as, what's your position?
Student trainee.
Okay.
Or student tellers.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like it? Tell me what you love about it.
Oh yeah, I absolutely love it. You know, it's close to home.
Nice.
I love helping people, you know, with their money. It sounds weird, but I enjoy doing the paperwork too.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just something different, you know.
Nice.
Different than what I was doing before mowing. So.
Okay, mowing lawns.
Yeah, very different.
That's different, but also hard.
Oh yeah.
So, okay. So with the student trainee position, do you only work a certain number of hours a week, correct? Like a max
yes.
number?
10 to 15. Just
Okay.
depends on the week, yeah.
Okay. And then it works great with your school schedule because you work at a grocery store.
Yeah, exactly.
So they're open a little bit later.
Mm-hmm.
So do you just go straight from school to work or?
Yeah, straight to school from work, 3 to 7 every day, or some days. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Outside of the credit union, what are some of your hobbies or what are some things you like to do?
Typical teenager, you know, I like video games.
Yeah.
I like working on cars.
I saw that you are driving a pretty cool car.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a 1965 Mustang.
That's so neat.
Yeah.
And you restored that with your dad?
Yep. It took 2 years.
2 years.
Plenty of time.
What does that involve? I'm not really into car restoration.
Well, in this case, our car was absolutely covered in rust.
Okay.
And so we had to replace over 6 feet of frame on each side of the car.
Oh my goodness.
That's a lot of welding. We had to replace floor pans front to back and the entire trunk and a couple of the fenders. So it was a big flip, and there was plenty of blood, sweat, and tears put into it.
So did it take a lot to talk your dad into turning the keys over to you, or was that the plan the whole time?
It was his plan the whole time,
Really?
but I could tell he was hesitant when it was first ready because, you know, he's been working on it for 2 years. He didn't want to see a high schooler go and wreck it, you know, stereotypical high schooler. So.
Do you park it? Are you one of those that parks it like way in the back of the parking lot where nobody?
I am in the furthest back.
Yeah.
I park over the line just a little bit just to give myself a few extra feet.
Yeah, everyone knows to steer clear of Jeremy's car.
You put a lot.
That's what happens when you work hard for something. You'll appreciate it a little bit more.
Exactly.
So outside of car restoration, video games, what else are you into?
I'm actually a musician.
Really?
I play the viola, play the piano, and I'm a vocalist as well. And
oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Okay, so are you in choir at school or band?
I was in choir, but I dropped that due to, you know, credits restricting my time. I am in orchestra though.
Of the three, which do you like the best? Or they all kind of go together?
I compose music on the piano, so I'd have to say that's up there. So.
That is so neat. Yeah. So have you been doing that, like, is that a recent thing, or have you been doing that your whole life, or how did you get started? The viola, that's not a very common, like, instrument, I don't feel like.
It's not very common. Not too many people know the difference between a violin and a viola. People always mistake my instrument for that. You know, they're always, so you play the violin? No, play the viola. And,
okay, so is it still one of those?
Yeah, it's on your shoulder, you play with the bow, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Switching gears a little bit, I'm going to ask you some rapid fire questions. Are you familiar with rapid fire?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions and you tell me the first thing that comes to your mind. Where is one place you would really like to visit?
England.
England? Yeah. Any particular reason why?
I don't know. I just like World War II history. Okay. So it's something I would like to go see, you know.
Yeah.
Royal Air Force museums and stuff like that. You
know. Nice. Yeah. What was the last TV show that you binge watched?
I switched. I'm binging a couple. That's the problem.
Okay. Hey, 2 is good.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Parks and Rec.
Okay.
And I've binged, I guess, all of the Star Wars movies.
Oh, okay. So did you just go see
Rise of Skywalker?
There you go.
Yeah. It was a good show. I liked it.
Did you like it?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. That's awesome. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to spend some time with us in the gazebo. Thank you so much.
Of course, thank you.